Hey, it's Matt from Home Improvement and Repairs magazine, and today I'm going to be removing this old microwave and replacing it with a new stainless steel range hood from Hauslane. Okay, so to protect the top of the oven range and to protect the countertop, I placed a piece of plywood covering everything. This adjustable cabinet jack is what I'm going to slip beneath the microwave, tighten it up to take the weight off the microwave as I unfasten it. Cabinet jack was a little too short to raise the range hood in place. So what I've done is I've built a block foundation to give it some extension.